got sent from my brother, he said, one day you leave, but you never come back. Oh,
I don't need your hair. I can say that as a person.
thoughts of the days flowing through my mind. You and your white t-shirt, windy and blind. Oh, I used to have you.
You're the middle one, aren't you?
I used to want you. I used to need you.
And then you have this agency cost problem and the strategies we talked about today to try to... It's coming to an end because you're going to get a law degree from the University of Oxford and then you're going to go on to have a great life. And this will be just a really weird memory, you know, to tell your kids about how you did finals in your room. But it's going to pass. This is not the rest of your life, but it's a really hard time for you all and I really feel for you.
I'm teaching my friends how to make dumplings.
Oh,
Hi. Oh, you do this first, and then you do the
It tastes like the dumplings I had in Taiwan.
well, that's perfect, isn't it? I also love the garlic in the dip.
Hi. I am in high spirits this morning because we have got an interview later. Right. We have got a shirt to iron. I just left the library and it is 4 p.m. Last week I sort of fell off the edge of the earth because I was so buried in work and just had a lot to do and didn't really give myself time to do nice things. So this week I'm turning it around and doing some small things to help out my well-being.
Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone?
A guy who's vlogging, just like me.
I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is it good to you? Can you do the things that I do? No, I could take you higher. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my soul. And at night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you could cool my desire.